Hello, Southeast Region. This is Bill Kennedy from Greenville, South Carolina. I'm a Keller Williams University approved trainer, and I will be bringing a wonderful class to you on Wednesday, January 5th. We are bringing the MREA, Millionaire Real Estate Agent, the 24 topics. So, MREA, the 24 topics. We are going to hit all of the high points in the Millionaire Real Estate Agent book, including the 4 major models that you're going to work on with the MREA. We're talking about the economic model. We're going to jump into the lead generation model. We're going to dive into the budget model, and we're going to look at the organizational model. In addition to those 4 fundamental foundational models, we're going to dive into a lot more that Gary Keller, Dave Jenks, and Jay Papasan wrote. So join me on Wednesday, January 5th for the MREA 24 topics. I can't wait to see you there.